Hey guys, welcome back. This is part 2 of Amazon haul. I have posted part 1 last week. If you haven't seen it yet, please do check. And if you are new here, please consider subscribing and I'm sure you won't be disappointed. Now, let's check out today's video. This is a tea coffee sugar canister set which arrived in this box. Very shabby package. I wasn't happy with the packaging at all. But the product is good. In fact, this is the replacement set. The first one that was delivered, the product had some damage and hence requested for a replacement. Very beautiful canister set. I really like the color and the triangular shape of these jars. After I got the replacement, this time the product is good, except for one of the canisters had a small scratch. The paint chipped, but the other ones are okay. It's a set of 3 powder coated stainless steel canisters for storing tea, coffee and sugar. Very beautiful set. The lid is tightly fitted with the help of a rubber gasket around the jar. Actually, I like the triangular shape of these jars and the color is lovely. The lid is stainless steel, but not quite sure if the powder coating would last longer. However, it adds to the aesthetics of your kitchen. These are pretty metal lanterns in lovely shades. Basically used as tea light candle holder. The body is made of high quality iron and the finishing of the product is excellent. It's such a lovely decor item. The finish is beautiful, guys. I really love it. There is an opening at the bottom of the lantern and this is how you open and close it. Just as you see here. They look so classy. I love it actually. If you have plans of buying it, please go ahead. A big thumbs up from my end. Then this is a Buddha decor piece that I bought from Flipkart. It was very securely packed to avoid any transit damage. Such a beautiful Buddha decor piece. The product looks ravishing, guys. Very neatly finished. Such a beautiful decor piece, I would say. I mean, Buddha decor idols add so much positivity to the whole decor, isn't it? Thumbs up to this one. If you have plans of buying it, don't think twice. Go ahead. This is a set of 3 cushions. Size is 12 by 12 inches. I got this from Amazon. It's fluffy enough, very soft and serves a purpose very well. Quality is good, looks durable, value for money. You can go for it. These are a set of 5 16 by 16 inches cushion covers. The front fabric has a velvety finish, which is good, and the other side fabric is dupion silk and is very thin, not good. The zipper quality is not satisfactory. One of them already broken. Overall, according to me, it's not very long lasting and it's not very expensive as well. So for the price, the quality is okay. I am planning on replacing the backside fabric with some cotton material after a couple of washes. The colors are soothing and the print is good and the price is very affordable. So if you have plans of buying it, go ahead, give it a try. These are again a set of 3 16 by 16 inches cushion covers, and these are too good to let go, guys. The print is awesome. Has a traditional Rajasthani print. The quality is really nice. The zipper is good, fabric is cotton, excellent quality in fact. And for the stitching, it's 10 on 10. Very neatly stitched. Overall, a big thumbs up. I just love it so much. So if you have plans of buying it, go ahead. This is a bed linen for double cot. The fabric is cotton and the print looked so soothing to the eyes and I bought it. And when it arrived, it didn't disappoint me. Quality is very good. Fabric feels so soft and the colors are vibrant. The pillow covers are big enough and quite good. It's a good deal. After the first wash, it's still good as new. So if you have plans of buying it, please go ahead. This is another bed linen for double cot. I actually wanted king size in these prints, but it wasn't available. So now I have plans of stitching all 4 sides with extra fabric to make it fit king size cot. Now the print is beautiful, fabric is soft and good, pillow covers are big and nice. Certainly thumbs up for this one. I got these 2 sheets in a real steal deal price. So if you guys have plans of buying it, do check it out. This is a table cover for a 4-seater dining table. Nice bright floral print with lace on 4 sides. Very beautiful print. I really like the bright colors. It's perfect for 54/78 size rectangular dining table. Very good one. just apt for this summer season, isn't it? Nice bright floral print. This is another one, again dining table cover. I really like the print. I didn't get a 4-seater size in this one, so I bought a 6-seater size. It will be a little lengthy, but it's okay. I really like the design and so I bought it. The quality is too good and the print is classy. It has lace on 4 sides. I totally loved it, guys. Gives a very rich look to your dining table, and the print is so soothing. But right now the same print is not available on Amazon, but if you want you can check on other designs which is available. This is a very simple water jug from the brand Signora Ware. I actually had 2 glass jars which my kids broke, and so I thought I should opt for a good quality plastic jug, and this one is just right. It's BPA free, very sturdy, easy to pour, 100% food grade and microwave safe. Sturdy and good to use. And this is a very useful item, guys. Plastic bag dispenser from IKEA. Just what is needed to organize the plastic covers. It comes in a flat package and the instructions are given at the back on how to fix it. Very easy actually, and it's quite sturdy product and quite big actually. Seriously, I didn't expect this big when I saw it online. It's a must buy product. Do check it out. Easy to store and pull the covers. I mean, it's very much needed in all our kitchens, isn't it? Okay, now this one is basically used for photography. It's a background flat laid tabletop sheets used for food photography or similar usage. It is very well packed when it arrived. I really like the packaging. It's a set of 2 sheets with 4 different backgrounds. I basically bought these for my food posts. Guys, have you ever wondered how those Pinterest and Instagram food posts have such wonderful wooden tables or marble tops as backdrops? They use these. It gives such natural look. You wouldn't know it's a sheet. I used it for myself and I was amazed with the results. The material is 300 GSM art paper with waterproof printing. The sheets are printed in high-tech industrial printers and gives very realistic look. It can be cleaned with just a damp cloth. No soap should be used. These are silicone cupcake molds, set of 12 in beautiful shades. I used it several times and the product is too good, guys. Batter doesn't stick to the surface. So easy to demold. Cleaning is a breeze. Big thumbs up for this product. If you have plans of buying it, go ahead. You won't regret. And these are a set of 12 measuring cups and spoon set for my baking needs. Comes with a ring holding the cups so it's easy to hang. It's food grade plastic with easy to read markings on it. It serves the purpose pretty well. I actually wanted to buy the high grade copper measuring cups, which is quite expensive and it takes some time for me to buy that. And so for now this is okay. Food grade plastic, easy to handle, quite good. You can go for it if you have plans of buying it. And this is a beautiful cushion cover, guys, 16 by 16 inches. It's hand woven knitted cushion cover made with macrame thread. Comes with a note from the seller that it's handmade. Excellent craftsmanship. I actually fell in love with this one as soon as I opened it. So good. Beautifully made. Gives a very rich and classy look. And the price is very affordable. The zipper quality is good. Fabric is high quality cotton. There's a lining inside for the other side as well. It's a must buy product. Do check it out if you have plans of buying it. I'm sure you will love it. I really hope you like this content, and if yes, please give it a like and share it with your friends and family. It motivates me to bring you more worthy content. Until I see you again in my next video, this is Babita signing off. It's one life, live it up.